All right, next up is Frog Legs, and I have my friend Mark here, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his company. Mark, tell me, so the name of your company is?
Frog Legs Incorporated.
Okay, and tell me a little bit about Frog Legs.
So Frog Legs has been around for about 26 years, and we invented the first shock absorbers for wheelchairs. And so we make caster forks, we make caster wheels, mainly anything that takes that frontal impact that would cause vibration into the frame of the chair, that would trigger spasms or lower back pain.
Wow, that's fantastic. In 25 years, that's fantastic.
Been for a long time.
Yeah. What do you like most about what you've been doing?
Well, first of all, I just love the industry. I mean, we get to meet wonderful people. The fact that we can do something that pays the bills and also improves people's lives, it's just, I feel truly blessed to be able to do that.
It's a dream job, isn't it?
It kind of is.
Yeah, I love it. And how can people find out more about Frog Legs?
Well, you can contact us on our website is www.froglegsinc.com, so froglegsincorporated.com. You can also pretty much talk to anyone in the industry. We've been around for a long time. People actually know the name, and the name's unique enough that people recognize it.
Excellent. Very good. Thank you for your time, Mark. I appreciate it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.